everyone. A warm welcome to all of you in Jaipur Happy. The Parent Connect program 2025 was organized in St. Amar Jaipur School to strengthen the collaboration between parents.
Session was indeed special as it was being guided by Ms. Jyoti Mankirata, General Manager, Academics, Jaipur School. Her valuable insights and mentorship have always inspired our educators and parents alike. The event began with a welcome address by our esteemed Principal Ma'am, setting the tone for a meaningful and interactive session ahead.
The highlight of the day was a parenting session conducted by our mentor to share deep insights on effective parenting and building a nurturing environment at home. Our teachers then presented the holistic progress report card explaining all the 6 developmental domains, making our parents understand how we not just assess academics, but we also take care of child's overall growth.
Another exciting part of the program was the introduction of TrueDemi app, a digital platform where learning and play go.
This session also included fun-filled activities, games, and a quiz, making the atmosphere lively and engaging for everyone. It was indeed a session of learning, laughter, and collaboration.
Following that, an interactive session took place where parents and teachers discussed each domain in detail.
Now directly from the Assembly Hall of St. Amar Jaipur School, the proud moment in the school's history. For the first time ever, we are celebrating Uttam Sati Award, an initiative to recognize the good deeds and outstanding performance of the drivers, conductors, and attendants.
Indeed, it was a great celebration to acknowledge those who ensure the safety, punctuality, and comfort of our students every single day. Begin with the lighting of the ceremonial lamp by respected Director Mr. Pankaj Agarwal and Principal Ma'am Ms. Anita Saxena, marking the auspicious start of the program.
Following this, the senior most driver, Mr. Barkat Ali, honored Principal Ma'am and Director Sir on behalf of entire transport team.
Director Sir in his inspiring address highlighted the long-term vision and the purpose of this award to motivate every team member to maintain excellence, discipline, and dedication in their duties.
Principal Ma'am Ms. Anita Saxena elaborated on the parameters of award evaluation. Average, behavior, vehicle housekeeping, maintenance, and timely arrival. She also added a fun and thoughtful dimension to the event by conducting an interactive game on human behavior for all participants.
The moment everyone was waiting for the Best Driver Awards. In the van category, the award went to Mr. Shyam Lal, the bus category to Mr. Prabhar Bhushan Padhar. A big round of applause for our winners.
We were also graced by the presence of Mr. Ashish Agarwal, admin, Mr. Himanshu Pandey, maintenance, and Mr. Avinash Menon, whose encouragement added warmth to the evening. Backstage arrangements were efficiently managed by Mr. Avinash Pandey and Ms. Arsha Khan, ensuring everything ran smooth.
And of course, the program's smooth flow and energy was brought alive by the anchoring of Mr. Ashish Mukherjee, whose efforts made this event a grand success.
Truly, this first edition of Uttam Sati Award will be remembered as a milestone, celebrating dedication, discipline, and devotion. Once again, congratulate all our winners, participants for making this event such a memorable one.
A grand Diwali celebration was organized at St. Amar Jaipur School, Bahraich, filled with color, culture, and festive joy. The entire school was beautifully decorated with diyas, rangolis, and lights, creating an atmosphere of happiness and togetherness. One of the highlights of the day was that everyone is participated in traditional attire, adding charm and grace to the celebration. The students and staff looked vibrant, representing the true spirit of Indian culture. The day concluded with sweets, smiles, and a sense of togetherness, as the school family celebrated Diwali with warmth, joy, and unity.
You're watching Jaipuria Happening, where the biggest headline is Annual Day preparation in full swing. I am Vaishnavi from 11th STU.
And I am Ans Gupta from class 6B. The whole school is buzzing with excitement as we gear up for the grand celebration on 8th and 9th November.
Yes, the corridors are filled with music, laughter, and non-stop rehearsal. It's like a festival of fun and creativity all around.
From skits and dramas to energetic dance and soulful songs, our Jaipurians are giving their hand.
So mark your calendar, 8th and 9th November, the most awaited date of the year. Stage is set, the students are ready to shine.
Stay tuned for more updates and sneak peeks right here on Jaipuria Live News.
Signing off with lots of fun, laughter, and Jaipuria spirit.
The excitement is building up as Pinnacle, the 7th Inter Jaipuria Athletic Meet, is all set to take place this November.
Yes, indeed, the preparations are in full swing and teachers Ms. Shivani Singh and Mr. Madar was on their toss ensuring every detail is perfectly managed. Yes, a spirit of sportsmanship is totally in the air at the Setama Jaipuria School Variety. Stay tuned on more updated and Pinnacles 2025.
We are the best.